I had to show this to you again because it's so beautiful. Another textbook trade happened. Pyramiding is just perfect. The signal here, the long signal, has a question mark, which means technically it's not a good signal yet, because price would have to go up here, which it didn't yet. But our pyramiding trick gave us a win here, and it was a double win, so we made roughly 2 times 1.9%. I mean, this latest trend here looks like the original TP is also going to be reached, but we made more money quicker with this one weird little trick. As for copying this strategy, allowing others to copy it, it's not possible on Bybit because XMR is not a copy trading capable coin there for reasons. They say it has to do with volatility, but XMR is the least volatile crypto coin I know, which is the reason why I trade it, because this strategy likes ranging coins, not trending coins. Be it as it may, Bybit decided XMR is not copy tradable. BingX does not have XMR at all. BitGet doesn't have XMR, I think. MaxC has XMR and available for copy trading. So I might actually just go there and set up the strategy there. Or we could offer the whole bot, including the strategy, as a Java program. I kind of dread this because it would mean I have to support people using this interface. Whenever you deliver software to someone, things will fail. They will have questions. Software is very support intensive, which most companies try to just avoid doing, but they should be doing it because software is complicated. So it was the original plan long ago when I started this trading bot project to ship the software to people. I actually kind of shipped it to someone once. However, yeah, copy trading is nicer, I think. Better idea. One last note maybe about the curve down here. This used to look different. A few days ago it was like this, all green. And now we have this full loss here in the beginning. Why did this happen? Did I change something? No. The thing is, we do have bad signals, like really bad, even with pyramiding. And here's such a signal right at the beginning of the backtest in February. And we just executed the signal and had a loss. And before we had a signal a bit earlier, and we're following this signal, so this signal was ignored and we did not have the loss. So that can happen. And the way PineScript or TradingView handles backtests is really kind of strange anyway. They conflate the backtest, which is a pure simulation after the fact of imaginary trades, with the actual forward test or the execution of the strategy. So a real trade that I took with the strategy with real money, like this one here, is obviously like different from the imaginary trade in some chart that I say I could have made if I had my strategy back then. So, and the transition from backtest to forward test is not clear in this curve here, and something simple like reloading the page can upset the state basically. So what was forward test becomes backtest now, but it shouldn't change because that would make everything very confusing. And there are differences between backtest and forward test. You get real-time candles in the forward test. You can open and close trades at any point during any candle. After that was a price move. In the backtest you only get full candles basically. You can only do open trades at the beginning of the candle because the information between all the ticks that were inside of one candle are just not stored, and it would be too much calculation effort to run the backtest on every tick. So they just run it in full candles. It's something you have to work around. But none of that stopped me. I think this may be the final winning strategy. I said this before, I'm sure. I give it 1 or 2 more crashes maybe. I mean, yeah, it's kind of embarrassing that there's this loss in here. maybe we could try and do something about this. Is there anything we could do? How deep did it go? Like how far down? Oh, stop loss is 20%, which was hit here, and went further down. It was like a major down move. This is clearly a big move. Where are we on the daily? Somewhere here. Should mark. Yeah, this huge thing. Of course. Okay. I mean, there's some justification in saying that this is not normal. Okay. What happened on the 6th of February was a drop from here to here. That's a drop of 40% in a day. That's nuts. I mean, if a strategy makes a loss on this thing here, it's understandable. The thing is, our losses are big. If we add to the trades twice and stuff, 50% gone of the account. And, well, we recover it, you know. Even here, when did we recover? Here was the loss. And we crossed the break-even line here, which was 29th of February. So 3 weeks later, we had recovered and are on our way to profit. And the average growth over the whole backtest is still 50% per month, which is so good. So yeah, this is looking actually very good. Let's stay tuned. Bye-bye. Lame ending, I know. Didn't know what to say. Sorry.